think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey Glam fam, welcome to the channel. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button in order to join the Glam fam today. We'd love to have you a part of the family. There are so many beauty tips, hacks, and tricks here that I just know that you're going to love. So if you'd like to keep yourself beautiful for an extended period of time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now for those of you guys that are not aware, there are so many different herbs on the market today in order to keep your body intact and in order to gain curves naturally. A lot of people may not be aware of this, and that is what I'm here to share with you guys on today, because I want everyone to feel as beautiful as they possibly can in their skin. And of course, there was a quote that once said, a woman without curves is like some jeans without pockets. You don't know where to put your hands, okay, because it ain't nothing to grip on to. With it being so popular nowadays to be on the curvaceous side, a lot of women wonder, is there a way that I can transform my body at home? Is there a way that I can bring my body to a more curvaceous stature without expending out any money on plastic surgery? And I'm here to tell you that yes, there is. And if you're looking for this, honey, I am your dream come true, because that is what I'm all about sharing here on my channel. Let's talk about how to use different herbs in order to increase curves naturally. Now, while the trend of being curvaceous is great and perfect from the normal standard of starve yourself in order to be beautiful, there is a growing problem of women going to extreme lengths in order to receive curves. Some women go as far as to having semen and other toxic chemicals injected into their bodies. Now the good news is there are ways to naturally promote and increase your curves at home without going under the knife or receiving any type of things that may be harmful to your body. And that is where certain herbs that promote curves become beneficial. Now the first herb that I have to share with you guys, I've actually shared previously on my channel, and if you'd like to learn a little bit more information about this in depth, then I definitely recommend that you guys check out the video that I made on this. But one of the first ones is Maca root. When it comes to building fuller hips and also a butt, there is no herb on the market that is more popular than Maca. There are hundreds of stories from women on the web who have taken Maca and have received great results. In fact, I am one of those women that have shared my testimony on Maca here on my channel. Originally from Peru, this herb is said to bring energy and also curves, especially as an aphrodisiac. The beauty of Maca is that it contains no hormones, unlike the many other herbs that are on the market now. It works with your pituitary glands to promote hormones at optimal levels. The standard dosage for Maca is 500 mgs daily. And as with all things, make sure that you guys watch how much you're consuming. Do not overconsume anything, okay? Because we want to feel as beautiful as we possibly can and become the best version of ourselves, but you do not want to harm your body in the process. And girl, I care about you, okay? So make sure that you're paying attention to how much you are consuming. Maca is also a stimulant and has been said to cause rapid heartbeats in women, which this is something that you definitely want to look out for if you are consuming Maca. And the likelihood of that happening increases with a higher dose. So like I said, make sure that you pay attention to how much Maca you actually are consuming. I personally prefer Maca in powder form and have found that it absorbs a lot better. It can be easily mixed into smoothies, also in drinks and other different types of things, which I've also shared a Maca root smoothie here on my channel. And combining Maca with strength training such as glute training or any type of muscle training will boost your chances of getting a banging body in a shorter period of time. For those that are prone to digestive issues, look for Maca in cooked or gelatinized forms, as it is easier for the system to tolerate. Maca in gelatinized form is also more pure and is considered more potent than the raw form because all the goodies have been extracted. Now you guys, let's talk about one of my favorite herbs for gaining curves, and that just so happens to be fenugreek. Now pretty much everything that I'm sharing with you guys here on this list I have made a video about at some point on my YouTube career, so make sure that you guys check it all out. This right here is a unique herb and is said to have a very wide variety, which I myself can attest to. It's traditionally used in seasonings and in cuisines all across the world. Fenugreek also has medicinal uses and is commonly used by lactating mothers in order to improve milk production. It is also known to increase breast size as well by mimicking conditions in a woman's body associated with breastfeeding, increasing blood flow to the area. But it is also perfectly okay for women who are not lactating to take it. It will not cause milk production. It will just lead to fuller breasts and also to more curvaceous curves. And of course, all the reviews from women who have used fenugreek, even coming to me telling me about it, fenugreek is very effective for pretty much all women, okay? And I myself can also account for fenugreek as well. The standard dosage for fenugreek is about 500 to 1,000 mgs daily. Now the last one that I'm going to share with you guys on today is saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is one of the most effective herbs for increasing the size of the breasts. It has been widely used for breast lifting and enlargement. This herb is renowned for its anti-androgen characteristics as well as for its role in reversing the shriveling of breasts. It contains phytonutrients that stimulate the breast tissue, as well as for help to increase the breast size. It also serves as an aphrodisiac and increases women's sexual activity. The standard dosage for saw palmetto is about 160 to 300 mgs daily. Now I would advise to start off by using this herb in small intakes and work your way up, to allow room to watch out for any allergies that could possibly take place from using it. Now for all of these herbs mentioned in this video, I would definitely recommend starting off with a small dosage. The reason being is because you never know how your body will personally react to them, okay? One thing that I always like to reiterate whenever I make these videos is that everything does not work for everybody, okay? So you want to be mindful of how your body reacts to a specific thing. Just because something works for somebody does not mean that it's going to work for you. So you have to think about that whenever you go to consume anything. It is very important, you guys, and it is also important for your health as well. And a lot of these herbs contain estrogen, and too much estrogen can be bad on things like your menstrual and so forth and so on. So definitely make sure that you're paying attention to that as well. Also, I would not recommend consuming any of these while you are pregnant with child. It could cause a lot of harmful things to your baby, and we do not want that at all, you guys. So definitely make sure that you're on the lookout for that too. Now, a quick thing that I can recommend in terms of getting a more curvaceous body is eating more protein. This will help your body out in the long run, especially if you have a fantastic workout routine along with it. And I've shared a lot of videos about this specific thing here on my channel, so I'm just going to link one up in the cards for you guys, and I'd recommend that you all head over and check it out if you all would like to learn some of the benefits of eating protein for your body and for your bum. Nonetheless, there are a lot of ways that you can naturally improve your body at home, and these are just a few herbs that I just shared with you guys on today in order to get you on the road to having a banging body in no time. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hey, really quickly, I do a lot of research on these videos, so make sure that you're giving your girl a thumbs up. When you thumbs up a video, it pushes the video out to a broader audience, and it allows for more people to see this video and this information. So if you appreciated the information, make sure that you do that for your girl. It is greatly appreciated. Also, feel free to share it on all of your social media.